If you desire LiveWire's Alpinista to perform akin to a gasoline motorcycle with extensive range and rapid refueling, you would be misinterpreting the latest and most agile Aero S2 powered electric model. On an electric motorcycle designed for urban riders, expectations must be adjusted. Riding as extensively as desired until experiencing fatigue is not a feasible reality. Due to range constraints, electric models are generally tailored for navigating city streets on shorter journeys rather than traversing vast open terrains. Brief and meticulously planned excursions are the cornerstone of an electric motorcycle's appeal, particularly in the case of LiveWire's Del Mar, Mulholland, and now Alpinista. These three motorcycles are poised to deliver a straightforward and pleasurable experience, boasting a claimed urban range of 120 miles and 71 miles on the highway. It is noteworthy that, owing to the sporty disposition of the Alpinista, one may feel inclined to utilize the bike for more traditional motorcycling distances, as it is a powerful and exceptionally responsive naked sport bike. This characteristic renders LiveWire's S2 Alpinista the essence of bittersweet. It is an exhilarating and proficient motorcycle, yet the enjoyment does not endure as long as with an internal combustion engine motorcycle, even with efforts to remind ourselves that it is not intended to directly compete with or substitute one. It is challenging not to yearn for such a sensation as we elevate the front wheel skyward while exiting tight bends in mountainous regions. LiveWire's all-new S2 Alpinista embodies a punk rock anthem, swift, enjoyable, and brief. Aero S2 shared architecture. The Alpinista employs LiveWire's Aero System 2 framework featuring a 5 kilowatt-hour battery. A 4-inch color TFT screen offers access to 4 preset riding modes: Sport, Road, Rain, and Range, alongside 2 customizable riding modes equipped with cornering-sensitive traction control and cornering-sensitive ABS. The motorcycle includes adjustable Showa suspension and Brembo brakes similar to the Del Mar, but is positioned as LiveWire's sporty alternative, equipped with 17-inch wheels and Dunlop RoadSmart 4 tires, in contrast to the Mulholland's 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheel configuration. The Del Mar functions as the company's street tracker with 19-inch wheels and dirt track-style tires. Motor performance. An initial twist of the throttle produces a burst of energy that propels the rider forward in a manner that a gasoline motorcycle simply cannot replicate. Power delivery is robust like a large twin, albeit impeccably smooth, and continues to accelerate relentlessly akin to an inline 4. With electric models, there is no gearbox to navigate or clutch to manipulate. Simply twist and proceed. Throttle response is immediate and enables the rider to predictably transfer power to the rear wheel. Although power delivery is potent at any speed, it remains controllable and manageable. Sport mode with traction control deactivated guarantees an exhilarating experience, while Road or Range, Eco, moderates the performance without entirely compromising the riding enjoyment. In Range mode, acceleration remains swift and thrilling, yet riders benefit from enhanced regenerative braking. Those seeking unrestricted power and maximum regenerative braking can effortlessly customize the 2 adjustable ride modes accordingly. Alpinista range and charging. The S2 Alpinista delivers 84 horsepower, 194 pounds, FT of torque, and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds, as reported by LiveWire. The reported range is 120 miles in urban conditions and 71 miles on the highway, resulting in a combined range of 90 miles. However, these figures are determined at or below 55 miles per hour, which may not reflect real-world usage for many riders. In our evaluations on canyon roads at higher speeds, we discovered that the Alpinista is effective for 68 miles on a full charge. During a particularly spirited photo shoot, we recorded a minimum of 55 miles, yet when navigating the city with several segments on the freeway, the range improved to 79 miles. Any motorcycle will experience reduced range under aggressive riding conditions, but this effect is significantly more pronounced in electric models due to their generally lower mileage per tank and the extended charging times compared to refueling a conventional bike. Using a Level 1 110V charger, the LiveWire requires 9 1 hour to charge from 0 to 100% in 5. 9 hours from 20 to 80%. A Level 2 charger, 220V, offers significantly faster charging times, taking only 2 hours and 22 minutes from 0 to 100% and 1 hour and 17 minutes from 20 to 80%. Planning a sporty weekend ride? Schedule a lunch break near a charging station. Handling: the claimed curb weight is 434 pounds, indicating that the LiveWire Alpinista is competitive with most middleweight motorcycles when weighed. Due to the low center of gravity and absence of internal moving components, the motorcycle feels lighter than the figures imply once in motion. Its slender profile makes the LiveWire manageable and accessible as well. The handling is dynamic and precise. On winding roads, the Alpinista necessitates a significant amount of rider engagement to initiate a lean. However, once the bike is inclined to the side of the tire, it feels anchored, stable, and maintains its line effortlessly. The Showa suspension is firm, providing ample support during spirited riding while remaining comfortable on urban roads. Damping adjustments create a noticeable impact, and it was straightforward to establish a setting that suited my 120-pound weight. Performance is the main theme when it comes to the Alpinista, and the Brembo brakes certainly check that box. Despite having a single disc up front, the system has strong initial bite, and the power progressively ramps up with excellent lever feedback and a great feeling of connection to the tire's contact patch. ABS intervention is well calibrated and not intrusive. The Alpinista's rider triangle is neutral and comfortable, with an overall feel that is classic naked bike, upright with a slight forward stance. The reach to the handlebars is easy, while foot peg position is sporty but not cramped. The round 4-inch TFT display is sharp and clear, while navigating the menus and settings is straightforward and intuitive. Switching modes can be done on the fly with the touch of a button on the right switch pod. Plus, a dedicated traction control button allows riders to easily disable TC when the bike is stopped. Realities of range versus fun. In the urban sprawl of Southern California, staying at or below 55 miles per hour on many surface roads is not realistic, and sustained higher speeds is a power eater. What's also a power eater is how much fun the Alpinista is to ride. It highlights the capabilities of the Aero S2 platform's excellent instant torque and great horsepower output, allied with a fun and sporty chassis. The Alpinista and its LiveWire stablemates are playing in a space where we see increasingly more electric motorcycles end up compact urban/suburban commuter/runabouts. Can-Am's Pulse, $13,399, and Origin, $14,499. BMW's C04, $12,195, and 02, $7,599. Kawasaki's Ninja, $7,899, and ZE1S, $7,599, and 0FX and FXE, both $12,495. In that context, the $15,999 Alpinista is in the ballpark